guys, welcome back to another video. A few days ago I made a video about how to make a paper rocket, but while we were filming the video it was great, but then the day after when I tried it there was a lot of wind, so then basically this is what happened. This was the plane that we made, and it just went wee and landed. But today we're just experimenting with making paper planes until my dad found out this paper plane, which is basically the same as the one that we made a few days ago, but it is way better because it can go against the wind. So yeah.
Oh. Huh.
It can go really far, but right now the wind is coming from that direction, which I just threw it from. So, let's see. I'm just gonna wait until a breeze of wind comes and I'll throw it. Okay, wind. Okay, wind. Whoops. There's a dog in there.
Just landed in the doggy house.
Yeah,
That's alright, the fly was good.
so it just went again.
We'll save it later when there's no dogs.
Yes. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. And to make this, you just need a sheet of A4 paper. A5 also works, but I recommend A4, and also scissors, but yeah. So, you just need a sheet of paper and scissors. But, yeah. So, the first step is to, what was the first step again? Okay, my dad's gonna demonstrate. Okay, so, the first step is to kind of fold the edge, not to the middle, but like kind of close to the middle, all the way up, and kind of try to do the same thing on the other side and be symmetrical. But it doesn't really matter if this part's fully symmetrical or not. Like, you don't really need to make measurements for it, because the one that I just threw came out kind of wonky. But it still went really well. But yeah, so after you do that, you just fold it in the middle. Like this. So then you fold it in half again. And bring the wings down like a normal airplane. And do the same on the other side. And then, after I finish, see, even this one came out a little bit wonky. So when you're finished, you're just going to cut this part off. So you just cut this side parts off like this. And then when when you're throwing it, you need to put one finger at the back, just like the last paper rocket we made. But yeah, this one is much better. So yeah. So I'm just gonna try her again. And as you can see, because the wind's going that way, we went that way. If you throw it directly towards the wind, then it'll go to the wind. So, like that. At the end, it still does the spinning thing, but while it still has speed, it goes really slow. So yeah, thanks for watching my videos. If you like, you can like. If you want to watch more, you can subscribe. But yes, bye.